Is harmful or outdated content about you showing up in Google search results? Whether it's leaked photos, negative articles, or personal information, that content can seriously hurt your reputation. The good news? You can take action. Today, we're walking you through Google content removal and how it can protect your online image. Google doesn't control the entire internet, but they do control what appears in search results. They will remove certain types of content, including non-consensual explicit imagery, personally identifiable information, addresses, phone numbers, Idaho numbers, financial fraud risks, court-ordered removals. If your case fits, you can request removal directly from Google. Visit Google's content removal request page. You'll need to provide the URL of the harmful content, explain why it violates Google's policies, submit screenshots as evidence, monitor the status of your request after submission. Google might de-index a page, but if the content still exists on the original site, people can still find it. Whenever possible, contact the website owner or hosting provider to request a full takedown at the source. If your stolen photos, videos, or written material are posted without permission, filing a DMCA takedown alongside your Google request strengthens your case and helps speed up the process. At Leak Content Removal, we handle content removal requests, DMCA takedowns, and link suppression strategies to make sure harmful content is either removed or buried where no one will find it. Protecting your online reputation isn't just about removing bad content. It's about acting quickly, using the right strategies, and fighting for your digital privacy. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you, please like and subscribe. Need urgent help removing content from Google? Visit leakcontentremoval.com. Yeah, we're here to help you reclaim your online reputation.